Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afrian Frizky Alanda. Here I am going to present about analysis of big event point. This analysis is to fulfill the assignment of mathematics of economy and business. The data that I use in the analysis of big event point is from the cassava cracker business of Kulim Unggul Farmers Group. And the next is my profile. My name is Afrian Frizky Alanda, and my study number is 410141915. I am from IC class of Mathematics Education 2019. And what are that we will discuss here? The first is the profile of the business, and the second is the data of the business, and then analysis, results, and the last is reference. Okay, the first is the profile of business. The cassava crackers business of Kulim Unggul Farmers Group in Kulim Village, Pekanbaru City is a small industry engaged in the food business, especially the cassava crackers, having the address at Seroja Street, RT2, RW9, Kulim Village, Pekanbaru. There are two kinds of cassava crackers that are produced by Kulim Unggul Farmers Group. These are cassava crackers original taste and balado taste. Then the data of the business. For the data, we have the data of fixed cost and variable cost per pack of cassava crackers original taste and balado taste that are shown in the table. For the description, for the fixed cost, the first is machine depreciation cost, and the second is building rental cost, and the third electricity cost, indirect labor cost, and solar cost. And the total fixed cost of cassava crackers original taste is 2,803,166 rupiah. And for the cassava crackers balado taste is 1,413,500 rupiah. For the variable cost, for the total variable cost of cassava crackers original taste is 50,470 rupiah. And for the cassava crackers balado taste, the total variable cost is 16,270 rupiah. Okay, in the next. Then we have the recapitulation data of total fixed cost, variable cost, and selling prices per pack of cassava crackers original taste and balado taste. We have the table here. For the cassava crackers of original taste, we get the selling price is 17,000 rupiah, and for the balado test is 18,000 rupiah. For the fixed cost and variable cost is the same like the table before. And we have the information here that cassava crackers business of Kulim Unggul Farmers Group produce cassava crackers of original taste at 2 2,000 units, and cassava crackers of balado test at 1,000 units. Okay, next. The next is the analysis of the break-even point. We will analysis of break-even point of cassava crackers business of Kulim Unggul Farmers Group. The formula of break-even point calculation are given in the following. We use two formula here that are break-even in unit. The formula is BE in unit is equal to FC divided by P minus PC. And the second formula is break-even in rupiah. The formula is BE in rupiah is equal to FC divided by 1 minus VC divided by S, where FC is the fixed cost, P is the price, VC is the variable cost, S is the total of selling price, and PE in unit is the break-even point in unit of produce. I am sorry, in unit of products. And PE in rupiah is the break-even point in the rate of price. We use the right price here is rupiah. Okay, next. The next is the analysis of the cassava crackers original taste. The break-even point for cassava crackers original taste product can be stated in unit as follows. We use the formula of break-even in unit, that is FC divided by P minus PC. In the previous, we get the number of VC, P, and PC, and then we substitute here, and we get the break-even point in unit is equal to 1,832 units. Therefore, the break-even in units of cassava crackers original taste products are 1,832 units. Okay, the next, note that cassava crackers business of Kulim Unggul Farmers Group produce cassava crackers of original taste at 2,000 units. And then we get the variable cost of 2,000 units is equal to PC, variable cost each unit, times Q. Q here is the products that are produced by Kulim Unggul Farmers Group. Then we get the total of VC is equal to 15,470 times 2,000, and we get the VC is equal to 30,940,000 rupiah. And then S S here is the selling price each unit times Q, where the selling price of the cassava crackers original taste is 17,000 rupiah times Q. Q here is 2,000 units, and we get the selling price of 2,000 units of cassava crackers of original taste is equal to 34 million and 30 I'm sorry 34 million rupiah. And then the break-even point for cassava crackers original taste products can be stated in the rupiah as follows. Note that the formula of break-even in the IDR is rupiah, is equal to FC divided by 1 minus VC divided by S. And then we substitute the number of FC, PC, and S, and we get the break even in the IDR of rupiah is 31,146,000 rupiah. Therefore, the break even in the rate of price of cassava crackers original taste product is 31,146,000 rupiah. The next is the cassava crackers balado taste. We use the break-even formula again to the cassava crackers balado taste. The break-even point for cassava crackers balado taste products can be stated in unit as follow. We use the formula of break-even in unit, and then we substitute the number of FC, P, and PC for the cassava crackers balado taste, and we get the break-even point in units of cassava crackers balado taste is 817 units. Therefore, the break-even in units of cassava crackers balado taste products are 817 units. And then note that cassava crackers business of Kulim Unggul Farmers Group produce cassava crackers of balado taste at 1,000 units. Then we get the total of variable cost is equal to the variable cost of each unit times Q. Q here the cassava crackers of balado taste that produce. And then we get the total of variable cost is equal to 16 million and 2,070,000 rupiah. And the total of selling price is equal to the selling price of cassava crackers balado taste times Q. And then we get the total of selling price is equal to 18 million rupiah. And then we we find the break-even point for cassava crackers balado taste products can be stated in the rate of rupiahs as follow. We use the formula of break-even point in the rate of price. We use rupiah here, and we substitute the number of FC, the total of variable cost, and the total of selling prices. And we get the break even in the rate of price is equal to 14 million and 7,024,000 rupiah. Therefore, the break-even in the rate of price of cassava crackers balado taste products is 14 million and 7,024,000 rupiah. And then the result of the break-even point analysis, we get the result is the in the table for the cassava crackers of original taste, we get the break-even in units is 1,832 units, and for balado taste is 817 units, and the break-even in the rate of price for the cassava crackers of original taste is 31,146,000 rupiah, and for the balado taste is 14 million and 724,000 rupiah. And then after the analysis process, the calculation of break-even point or BEP, uses a mathematical approach is carried out based on the data received from internet of the cassava business of Kulim Unggul Farmer Group. Obtain the following BEP analysis result as follows. The Kulim Unggul Farmers Group cassava crackers business is superior to achieve the break-even point in the rupiah sales of original flavored cassava crackers. Products must be able to sell the products equal to the 31 million and 146,000 rupiah or more from the sale and to reach units that can be sold so that the original flavored cassava crackers products doesn't suffer losses. It must be able to sell 1,832 packs of products. And then to reach the break-even point in the rupiah sale of the balado flavored cassava crackers products, Kulim Unggul Farmers Group must be able to sell the products equal to 14 million and 724,000 rupiah or more than the sale, and to reach units that can be sold so that the balado flavored cassava crackers products doesn't suffer losses, it must be able to sell 817 packs of products. And then the reference of the data from Hutani Sulina Surika et al. To 20 and 15 from Usaha Kerupuk Singkong UD Kelompok Tani Kulim Unggul Kelurahan Kulim Kota Pekanbaru from Jurnal Online Mahasiswa. And then thank you here from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question or suggestion, you can write in the commenter column. And I'm sorry if I make some mistakes in this presentation. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.